Well, welcome everyone back to another episode of Ful-O Gold. So today we're going to be smelting down some gold in the furnace, just an LPG burner, just a cheapy furnace off eBay. I'm not selling those, so don't worry. But if you come over here, we got some ball mill gold. It's been in the hammer mill. It's still got a bit of impurities in it, but that's all right. But as you can see, this is all gold that's been belted up into a ball, and all this fine stuff here, this mustard gold here, just beautiful looking stuff, isn't it? So we obviously got a bit of sand here, a little bit of ironstone stuff, but that's all right because when you smelt it, you put borax in, that'll take the impurities out, and hopefully we'll have a little bit of a bead once we pour it into some water. So we'll go put some gold in here. Got our crucible here. So I'm going to try and put this in without spilling it, because that wouldn't be real good, would it? All that effort to find the gold, to find the stuff, and then it goes everywhere. I did actually preheat this crucible up before we started shooting. I'm just going to tap a root. Like I said, it won't matter if there's a little bit of sand, impurities in there. Might have spilt a little bit, but I'm not too worried. So that's all right. Just go like that, and put a little bit of this sugar in, or borax. Looks like sugar though. That's about all you need, I think, for now, because there's already some in there. The crucible has been glazed, so once it's heated up, the gold will not stick to the side, so you should be able to just get a nice bead out. And then we'll melt that down, get it nice and molten, and hopefully it'll be a nice little button. So I might try and find a metal tin, because the last time I did it, I melted the bottom of my pan. But you know, that's all right. I'm not too worried about that. So we'll get this fired up and we'll go from there. Just got that furnace sort of at a low setting. Just put that in here. Get that in about there. Yep. Then we can turn that up. Back to it when that's nice and molten, and we'll have our little bit of gold. Ful-O Gold. So that's a nice molten button of gold in there now. So we'll just shut that off. Ideally you'd want a better crucible holder, but that's alright, we'll make do with what we got. So we'll just shut that off. I'll put the crucible there, and then I'll grab the crucible with these, and we'll be able to put that in the water. So Yeah. You don't want to put the crucible in the water either. That's a good way to shatter it. I nearly did. Anyway. Now that is cold to the touch. You see there's a bit of borax still, but I'll just scrape away, flake away. That's some nice little button of almost pure gold, I'd say. Once that borax gets polished off, you're left with a nice little button of gold.